Let's do a summer get ready with me, but all drugstore products. Well, 99.9% drugstore products. Step 1, brush up eyebrows. Step 2, go in with a brow volumizer or gel. Step 3, mix in a glowy primer with a skin tint. Step 4, conceal and contour. Step 5, go in and set. Step 6, apply blush. Step 7, go in and set your cream blush with a powder blush. Step 8, take your bronzer and apply it with a fluffy brush in the crease of your eye. Step 9, take a pastel color or a bright shimmery champagne and pop it in the inner corner of your eye. Step 10, go in with your favorite colored mascara. Step 11, take your favorite champagne or golden highlighter and apply that to the top of your cheekbones, under the arch of your brow, in the center of your nose, and your upper lip. Step 12, go in with your favorite nude lip liner. Step 13, apply a nude sparkly gloss. See you in the next one, guys.